Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn 4 different ways to add the fractions. You can choose your favorite method according to your understanding and comment me in the chat box. As I have already posted a video explaining fractions and their types, I will post a link in the description box in case if you missed it. So let's begin and show you how to add like fractions first. Same denominator will have the same LCM. So we'll add all the above numerators because the denominators are same. Four plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Since this is an improper fraction, we will change it into mixed fraction. 5 is the divisor and 9 is the dividend. So we got the answer 1 4 by 5. Now we will solve the unlike fractions with 4 methods. Like this is the one fraction 1 by 2 and this is another 1 by 3. We need to take out their LCM first. We'll start from the smallest number. 2 ones are 2. Let 3 be copied as it is. We'll multiply 3 into 2, 6. How much is 6 divided by 2? Right, so 2 3s are 6. We'll ask this question here. How much is 6 divided by 2? We got the answer 3. So we'll multiply that 3 into the numerator with the numerator. 3 ones are 3 plus. How much is 6 divided by 3? 2. So 2 ones are 2. In the second method, we'll try to take out the multiples of the denominator because denominator are not same. So we have to make them same. So we'll find out the multiples. Multiples of 2. What are multiples of 2? The table of 2 actually. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This much will be enough. Now we'll find out the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. So we got something same in both of them. Yes, like 6 is common in these two. 6 is common in these two. So the LCM is 6. LCM is 6. The common multiple between the two is their LCM. Again, we'll write the same question. The LCM is 6 we found out. So the same question again. 6 divided by 2, 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6, so 2 ones are 2. So answer we got is 5 by 6. Since the denominators are not same, we need to take out their LCM and make the denominator same. Right, so we can take out the LCM either with the first method or with the second method, whichever you find is easy. The first one was the normal LCM method and the second one was with the multiples method. But there's another method, another way which we can find out the LCM. What is that? See, if the denominators are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Like 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So they have only two factors, namely 1 and itself. So when the denominators are prime numbers, we can just multiply the numbers. Like 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So we got the LCM 6. 2 3s are 6. So now what we can do? We have to express 1 by 2 in terms of 6. 1 by 2. This was the first fraction. So 1 by 2 we have to express this 1 by 2 in terms of 6. So how much is 6 divided by 2? 3. Or 2 3s are 6. So we'll multiply the same denominator with the numerator as well. We'll shift the same denominator to the numerator part and multiply it. 3 ones are 3. Now 1 by 3, another fraction. Now same process, we have to express 1 by 3 in terms of 6. So how much is 6 divided by 3? 2. Or 3 2s are 6. So we'll shift the same 2 in the above. 2 1s are 2. We'll add both of them. 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. We have expressed both of them in terms of 6, the same denominator. Since the denominator are same now, we can write as 6 only. So it's 5 by 6. See, we will multiply this numerator with this denominator, making it a butterfly. This with this multiply. Right. So we'll multiply this with this or this with this, whatever you can do first. So I'm multiplying this by this. 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. Now we'll multiply the denominators now. 2 into 3. We'll multiply this. 2 into 3, the denominator part. 2 into 3, 6. So 5 by 6 answer. This is the easiest one. I hope all the methods were explained properly to you. And with these methods, you can solve the subtraction sums as well. So thank you for watching till the end and have a lovely day.